Underdog Fantasy Sports Mobile App Review 2025. Is it the best fantasy app in 2025? You won't believe how fantasy sports have evolved in 2025. Underdog Fantasy promises exciting contests, real-time scoring, and big cash prizes, but is it the best fantasy app this year? The surprising truth is variety. Most people get this wrong by thinking fantasy sports apps are just season-long leagues. Underdog offers daily and best ball contests, giving users flexible ways to play without committing months at a time. You can draft teams, compete in single-day matchups, or join tournaments that reward strategy and speed. Another advantage is user experience. You won't believe what happens next when you try the intuitive app interface. It's fast, responsive, and provides real-time stats, live scoring, and player news to keep you ahead of the competition. The app also supports multiple sports, from meaningful and to niche contests like golf or sports, appealing to a wide range of fans. Underdog Fantasy also provides low entry fees with high reward potential. Tournaments often have prize pools that rival larger platforms, making even casual players feel like they can win big. Plus, referral bonuses and promotions enhance your chances to maximize rewards. However, there are cons. As with all fantasy platforms, outcomes rely heavily on player performance, so luck plays a role. High-volume contests can be competitive, and beginners may feel overwhelmed at first. Responsible gaming is key to avoid overspending. In conclusion, Underdog Fantasy in 2025 is ideal for fans who want flexible, exciting, and potentially lucrative fantasy contests. While it requires careful management and a bit of luck, its daily contests, intuitive interface, and strong price structure make it a top contender for fantasy sports enthusiasts this year.